Now next we are going to learn about multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication is a product. So product of a fraction. So what is a product of a fraction? It is a product of numerator upon product of denominators. So like you have two fraction a by b. When multiply by c by d, the answer will be a into c upon b into d. Very simple. I'll take one example. 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 by 4. What you have to do? You have to multiply both the numerators and both the denominators. You get 15 by 32. Okay. I have another example like 9 by 16 into 8 by 15. First of all, see that if they are not cutting on each other, like here 8 to the 16, first cut it. Now 9 and 5 also 15 also come in one table, that is 3 3s are 9, 3 5s. You are left with 3 by 2 into 1 by 5. Next step will be the multiplication of the numerators. Next is multiplication of denominators. So answer will be 3 by 10. The answer is 3 by 10. You can perform like this. Now next, if I have one fraction, one number. Now what to do? First see, they are going on one table, that is 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So you are left with 5 by 4 into 3. Next step is multiplication of the numerator. This is numerator only, divided by 4. That is 15 by 4. The answer is this. So you can write in mixed fraction also. After dividing, you will find the mixed fraction. You can write in this way. You can write in this way. Both ways are correct. Now these are two numbers. If they have given me one quotient, simplify 3 4 by 7 into 2 by 5 into 1 3 by 4. So little bit longer. First of all, first step is what? To write the mixed fraction into proper and improper fractions, like 7 3 21, 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 by 7. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12 by 5. Then 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. You have to do nothing. You have to multiply all the numerators like this and all the denominators like this. Now you have to see if any number cuts on any number from numerator and denominator. Like 5. 5 cuts this number by 5. Now 4. 4 3s are 12. Now 7. This cuts this. You are left with only 15. The answer is 15. It can be in a fraction also. It can be a number also. So it depends upon a quotient. Now next type of quotient is when there is a written off. Like 2 by 5. Next quotient is like 2 by 5 of 40. Off means multiplication. So you will replace off with multiplication like this. Now you see this cuts this and you will left with the answer 16. They say you 11 by 14 of 63. What do you have to do? You have to replace off with multiplication sign and next you perform this. Now you have to see it goes on any table. Yes, in 7 table. 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63. Now you are left with 99. 11 into 9, 99 by 2. You can write this answer also. After dividing, you will find the mixed fraction also. You can write your answer like this also. So this is a question related to off. You have to do nothing. You have to convert the off with the symbol multiplication and perform multiplication over there. Next, we will take one example from your book. Like they have written, milk is sold at 16 3/4 per liter rupees. Find the cost of 6 2/3 liter of milk. So cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 16 3/4. Convert into this fraction. 4 16 4 is 64 plus 3 67/4. This is the cost of 1 liter of milk. Okay, then you have to find the cost of this liters of milk. So cost of, you have to multiply with this rupees, you get answer like this. Now you have to multiply numerators and denominator. Before that, see that if they are cutting on each other. Yes, 4 cuts 32 on 8s. Now you multiply 67 by 8, 536 and 5 in denominator. Divide it, you get the answer this. So this is the answer. It can be in fraction, it can be in a mixed fraction. In this way you can solve this. Now we'll solve one more question for you. It is given carton contains 16 boxes of nail and each box weigh this. How much carton of nails weigh? So there are 16 boxes. One box has a weight this much kg. So we will write weight of one box is this. Convert into this type of fraction. Then weight of 16 boxes, you have to multiply this with 16. Now first, before operating multiplication, see if they are cutting on each other. Yes, 4 is cutting 64, 4, 16. Now you are left with 1 in denominator. This is 9 into 4, that is 76 kg. So this is how we are going to solve problem sum based on multiplication of fractions. Now next comes upon division of fraction. In that, first we will come to know about reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction is, there are two fractions said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. For example, you have a fraction a by b. Its reciprocal means opposite, that is b by a. Now when you multiply a by b into b by a, this cuts with this cuts with this, answer is 1. So two fractions are reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. For example, they say write the reciprocal of 3 by 7. The reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Just we have to write the opposite fraction. So this is very simple. If they said write the reciprocal of 6, reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. Write like this. Okay. Next we come upon division. You have to divide two fractions like this. So in this one thing happen, what a by b is written as it is. This division sign changes to multiply sign when this fraction become reciprocal, that is d by c. Okay, I'll take one example. You will understand with the help of example. 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. You have to find out its answer. So you have to write 4 by 9 as it is. Change division into multiplication. And when you change division into multiplication, 6 comes here and 5 comes here. Now see, they are cutting on each other. Any number? Yes, they are cutting 2, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So answer will be now 4 into 2 upon 3 into 5. That is 8 by 15. This is how you are going to solve division with the help of multiplication and reciprocal of a fraction. So you have to write reciprocal of a fraction, then you have to solve any sum related to division. Now next we solve one problem related to division of fractions. So this problem is from your book. The rope of length 9 3 by 4 meter is cut into 6 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. So there is one rope. It is cut into 6 pieces. The length of the rope is this. You have to find the length of each piece. The length of rope is 9 3 by 4. First convert into this type of fraction. Number of pieces is 6. It means you have to divide this rope into 6 parts. You have to divide this by this. You write length of each piece is this. Divide by this. Now you have to change division sign into multiplication. How will you change? If you change into multiplication, 6 will be written as 1 by 6. Now you see if anything is cutting on any number. Yes, this is cutting on number 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 13 is a 39. Now you are left with 3 into 1 in numerator and in denominator 4 into 2. 13 into 1 is 13 and 4 into 2 is 8. You can write this, or you can convert into mixed fraction like this. So this is how you are going to solve a problem sums related to division. But you have to keep in mind one thing, that is reciprocal of fraction. Another thing, to convert division sign into multiplication, then write the reciprocal of the second fraction. You have not to do anything to the first fraction. This is how you are going to solve division of fractions. I hope this is clear to you and you will perform well in your worksheets. Good luck.